Want to turn off your PC's RGB lights? Here's exactly how to do it. First, click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type MSInfo32. Then, open System Information. Look for the Baseboard Product field. Mine shows MPGZ390. Write down that name. Now, open Google and search for your motherboard name plus what manufacturer to find out which company made it. You need this to know which software to use. As you can see on screen, here's a full list of manufacturers and their corresponding RGB programs. MSI uses Dragon Center with Mystic Light. ASUS uses Armoury Crate. Gigabyte uses RGB Fusion. ASRock uses Polychrome, and so on. If you can't find your program, just search for your motherboard name plus RGB software in Google and download it from there. I'm on MSI, so I'll open Dragon Center. Head to the Mystic Light section, or whatever the equivalent is in your program, and you'll see all your components listed with lighting controls. Start with the motherboard. Click the lighting option and switch it off. Then do the same for RAM. Go through each component one by one until everything is off. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick guides.